Hello friends, welcome to Code Developer. In this video, we will learn another interesting problem. So problem is this: find 2 to the power n without using built-in function in Python. Okay, so let's see how we can do it without using inbuilt Python POV function. So let's say we are given n, okay, so and we have to find 2 to the power 10 without using power function. So there are many techniques, but the most simple one it can be done is using bit manipulation left shift operation. Let's see how we can do it. So I'm just creating a result variable, and I'm just uh, using left shift operation. I'm left shifting 1 with n, okay, and when I print this, give me power of it should give me 2 to the power 10. Okay, let's see if it works. So 2 to the power 10 is, if I execute this program, we can see in terminal that 2 to the power 10 is 1024. Okay, so how this is working is basically, if you see default binary value of 1 is this, okay, and I'm left shifting this by n, which is 8, so which results into 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, so it's result, it results in this value, and decimal of this binary value is 1024. Okay, if I give any value here, we will I will be able to get 2 to the power that number. Okay, I hope you like this problem, and to learn many more such interesting problem and its solution, please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.